Inserting the sleeve. Inserting any sleeve isn't easy, so you have to be very careful that you get it in the right position. Find the snip that faces the front, put the sleeve on your arm, and then just basically put it into the armhole that faces the front as well. First of all, put a pin on the underarm. That's the underarm seam and the side seam, so they are together. Where you have a snip at the sleeve head, you want to put that onto the shoulder seam. And you do that with all the sleeves first. So you put the underarm seam and the side seam on top of each other. You find the snip, you put the snip onto the shoulder seam. And now we want to pin them in. At the lower end, a sleeve always has to go in flat, but it does need to roll over your hand, so you don't want it tight either. Do that on either side, and then where we have the extra fabric at the top, that's what we will gather. And the trick here is to pull the gathers first and then release them again as to where you need them. You want to be about 3 to 4 centimeters from the shoulder seam on either side. And when you've done that, you can see me here, I roll it over my finger, the fabric. Make sure that you've got them in the right position and you get a really lovely puff sleeve. When you sew the sleeve in, make sure that you don't let the fabric come out from the sleeve, and it wants to do that. You need to sort of push it back as you go, as you can see me do here. Just stay with your centimeter seam allowance all the way around.